Hello everybody, it's Margie from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. Thank you for joining us today. We are going to have a ton of fun today with force and motion. In front of me you can see several books that I have found in our juvenile nonfiction section at the library, all about force and motion. Some things that I have learned from these books are, what is force? Force is the energy it takes to do work. For example, if you push or pull an object, it takes energy to make the object move. What is motion? Motion is the change of position of an object because the force that is applied. So today we're going to have some fun doing some STEAM activities that involve force and motion. So let's get set. So our first activity today is going to be a push and pull painting. So I have a piece of paper on a cookie sheet, and the cookie sheet is just helping us today with containing our mess. I also have cut out a piece of cardboard. You can make it any shape. The only thing you want to try to do is get a straight edge on one of the sides. I'm going to apply some paint onto my paper. And let's use another color. And now I'm going to take my piece of cardboard and I'm going to push and pull it to create a masterpiece. So you can see we are doing push and pull painting. The colors that are mixing are looking really nice. So this is a fun activity that you can do at home. Our next activity is gravity painting. Gravity is what keeps people and objects on the ground and causes objects to fall toward the earth. Now we're going to experiment with how to use the Earth's gravitational pull to direct the paint we're using on our paper today. So what I've done is I've taped a piece of paper to a cookie sheet, and I'm also using another cookie sheet underneath it to catch the paint as we start to pour it. So you can use watercolors to do this. You can also do things like food coloring. So I'm using food coloring today. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our food coloring and we're going to start at the top with just some drips. And you can see already that the gravitational pull is pulling our paint all the way down our paper. We're going to get another color. And this time I'm going to change the direction of our paper. You can make whatever kind of design you want. You can, in the middle, add some color and tilt the paper the other way. You can see that our painting is coming out really nice, and all we're doing is changing the gravitational pull. So try this at home. Our last activity today is marble painting. So as you can see on my cookie sheet, I have taped a piece of paper. I have also added some paint, and now I'm going to add some marbles. I'm using 3 today. And as I add force to my marbles, you can see that they are doing all the work in creating the picture. If they get stuck in the paint like that, you just move them around, just like that. And if you're trying to do a certain design, you just have to change the motion of the marbles. And you can see my marble masterpiece. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you had fun with our Force and Motion STEAM activities. I hope you'll try one at home. We'll see you another day.